Hi everybody, today we're going to make a sock puppet. You need an old sock, some felt, googly eyes, some pom-poms and sticky back plastic or glue. Either will work as well. So you put your hand into your sock and then you make a little mouth shape to begin with. Now we've used double-sided sticky tape because it's a lot easier. Pull off and we're going to put that into his mouth to make some lips and a tongue. There we go. Next to go on is some eyes. Pop them on the top. We've used pom-poms with googly eyes, and then we're going to put some spines on our monster's back. Again, double-sided sticky tape all the way down his back, and then you can turn up the felt so it sticks up. And lastly, we're going to dip some pom-poms into some glue and give him some warts. Use lots of different colours. There you go, guys. So get creating with your monster sock puppets.